quiet moment shapes the way the inner path unfolds. A gentle effort day by day, the mind begins to hold what once would scatter, rush or drift, now gathers into flow. The soul leads on with patient hand and teaches how to know. Through steady practice, calm is formed, the noise begins to fade. The mind aligns with deeper truth by choices daily made. No sudden leap, no force applied, just presence clear and true. The path is walked one step at a time, and steadiness comes through. The world provides 1,000 tests, each moment calls the will to meet the day with open sight and learn to rest and still. Not drifting off, not turning numb, not lost in empty space, but holding awareness softly firm with purpose, depth, and grace. Through steady practice, calm is formed, the noise begins to fade. The mind aligns with deeper truth by choices daily made. No sudden leap, no force applied, just presence clear and true. The path is walked one step at a time, and steadiness comes through. There are quiet states that mimic peace, but lack the inner flame, where thought lies still without a guide, and truth is left unnamed. Only the stillness shaped by light and guided from within leads past illusion, subtle pull, to where the soul steps in. Through conscious rest, the mind grows clear, no shadow left to chase. Awareness stands both calm and bright in centered inner space. The soul and mind now move as one, no drifting loss or roam. Steady practice seals the path and makes the silence home. Practice, presence, clear.